Looking for the perfect place to spend summer 2025? Well, if Cancun is on your list for 2025 and you are looking for the perfect spot to bring the whole crew, then keep watching because this one's for you. Family resorts in Cancun are perfect for little kids with lots to offer, even for teens. Some are all about chill vibes, while others bring a touch of luxury to your family getaway. So in this video, I'm counting down the top 5 best all-inclusive family resorts in Cancun, Mexico for 2025. Let's begin. Starting with number 5, Cedus Cancun Family Resort. If you are heading to Cancun with the whole family, this spot is definitely worth checking out. Located just 15 minutes from the airport in the hotel zone, the Cedus Cancun combines beautiful beach views with tons of fun activities for everyone. One of the biggest highlights is the Treasure Island Water Park, which is built just for kids and includes pirate ships, splash zones and water slides. But that's not all. There's also mini golf, a rock climbing wall, a zip line, and even a theatre with nightly shows the whole family can enjoy. The kids club is great for younger children with a supervised arts and crafts area, while older kids and teens have their own hangout spaces with arcade games and other cool activities. And don't worry, mum and dad can relax too. There's a deluxe spa, an adults-only pool, and a swim-up bar. You can also enjoy a romantic dinner on the beach or join in on a tequila tasting under the stars. When it comes to food, you are definitely going to satisfy your inner foodie. This resort has 10 different restaurants, serving everything from Mexican and Italian to seafood and Asian dishes. There's even a special buffet just for kids. Plus, there are snack bars and cafes around the resort to keep everyone satisfied in between meals. Rooms are designed with families in mind. Think bunk beds, ocean views, and private balconies. Everything's set up to make your stay comfortable and fun. With something for every age, Cedus Cancun Family Resort makes it easy for families to relax, to play, and make great memories together. Next, at number 4, Windham Ultra Cancun. This family-friendly resort is located right in Cancun's hotel zone, just 20 minutes from the airport. It's an all-inclusive spot that's great for families with big suites, plenty of activities for kids, and lots of food options. Plus, it's right on the beach, so you're never far from the sand and sea. Kids love the pirate-themed splash park, which has 7 water slides, splash zones, and a family pool. There's also Camp Ultra, which is a kids club for ages 4 to 12, filled with fun games and activities. Families can also enjoy movie nights, magic shows, and live entertainment every night. While the kids are busy, parents can unwind in the activity pool, relax in the hot tub, or enjoy the sun on the beachfront deck. There's also after-hours babysitting if you want to slip away from the chaos. So you can enjoy beach volleyball, yoga classes, and even wine or tequila tastings with a sommelier. And if you are hungry, then you are in luck. The resort has 5 restaurants serving everything from fancy Italian food to a variety of continental dishes. There are also 2 food courts with casual eats like tacos and hot dogs. Rooms at Windham Ultra Cancun come in all shapes and sizes. You can choose from garden view suites or beachfront walkout suites with direct ocean access. The family junior suites are made up for 5 people and include bunk beds and a trundle bed for the kids. All rooms have extras like a mini bar, a private terrace, and ocean views. There's also a modern fitness centre, group classes, and the Aura Spa, which offers relaxing treatments and free hydrotherapy. Teens can hang out in the #hangout room, while younger kids have their own space in the kids club. With something for every member of the family, Windham Ultra Cancun keeps the fun going from morning to night. And number 3, Hard Rock Hotel Cancun. Like Windham Ultra, this fun, music-themed resort sits right on the beach in Cancun, just 20 minutes from the airport. It's an all-inclusive spot that mixes luxury with energy, and it's a big hit for families looking for something exciting and memorable. The Hard Rock Rock City Kids Club is a favourite for kids aged 4 to 12. It's packed with daily activities like art and crafts, games, and music-themed fun with characters called the Rock Stars. And if you've got teens on board, don't worry, there's a special lounge with video games, air hockey, and space to chill with friends. The whole family can join in with the foam parties, karaoke nights, pool games, and even live music shows that happen throughout the day. There's also a huge infinity pool with ocean views and a swim-up bar, plus a smaller pool just for the kids. Adults can relax in the hot tub, enjoy a yoga class, or visit the rock spa for a massage to wind down. When it comes to food, there are 6 restaurants, offering a variety of cuisines: Italian, Asian, Brazilian, and so much more. You'll also get 24-hour room service so you can eat whenever you want. Kids will find plenty of familiar favourites, while adults can enjoy gourmet meals and drinks from one of the 4 bars. Now, rooms are modern and cool, with private balconies, spa tubs and mini bars, and families can book larger suites for extra space. Fun touches like kid-sized robes and an option to order a guitar to your room makes the stay even more unique. With non-stop entertainment, great food, and something for every age, Hard Rock Hotel Cancun is a family vacation that you've always dreamed of. At number 2, Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun. Just 15 minutes from the airport, this all-inclusive resort opened in 2022 and is packed for fun for the whole family. The Royalton Splash Riviera gets its name from having one of the largest water parks in the Caribbean, with 14 slides, 2 lazy rivers, splash pads and spray zones. There's also a special lazy river just for Diamond Club members. Families can cool off in the 4 outdoor pools, including one exclusively for Diamond Club guests. Kids love the splash park with tipping buckets and mini slides, while adults can relax in private pool cabanas and soak up the sun on the quiet beach. For indoor fun, there's Game Up, which is a space with a trampoline park, a bowling alley and laser tag. The Supervised Kids Club keeps little ones busy with crafts, cartoons and lots of outdoor games. And while the kids are busy having the time of their life, parents can access the full gym with modern equipment and classes like Zumba, yoga, and high-intensity training at the Royalton Fit. There's even a workout space with punching bags and battle ropes. You'll find 12 restaurants and 10 bars with options ranging from Italian at Grazie to Mexican at Agave. Grab quick bites from Grazie to go or enjoy sweet treats at Scoops Gelato. Rooms are modern and spacious, with options like swim-out suites and Diamond Club upgrades for butler service and private lounge access. With water fun, great food, and something for every age, Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun is perfect for an exciting family vacation. Now at number 1, Ibero Star Selection Cancun. This all-inclusive resort is one of the top-rated family-friendly spots in Mexico, and for good reason too. The highlight for families is the Star Camp, which is a kids program for kids aged 4 to 15. It offers fun activities like cooking classes, crafts, puppet shows, and even eco-learning with Starkey's Orchid. Kids can also enjoy the Aquafun water park with pirate ship slides and splash pools made just for them. Now, while the kids are busy, parents can unwind at one of 10 pools or relax in the beachfront infinity pool with a swim-up bar. If you're hungry, the resort has 6 specialty restaurants, including Mexican, Japanese, and American options. There's also a kids menu plus casual bites like burgers and hot dogs from the beachfront food truck. And families can enjoy activities together, like soccer, volleyball, or tennis. You could even try scuba diving or join a cooking class. In the evenings, there's live music, shows, and themed events in the resort's amphitheatre. And for a little extra relaxation, check out Spa Sensations offering massages and beauty treatments. Now, if you want a kid-free evening, babysitting services are available, so parents can enjoy a romantic dinner or a quiet beach walk. With great food, fun activities, and something for every age, Ibero Star Selection Cancun makes it easy to enjoy a stress-free, all-inclusive family vacation. As for my number 1, it's definitely the Ibero Star Selection Cancun. Now here's why. This resort really checks every box when it comes to a family vacation. The Star Camp is seriously impressive with eco-learning, the cooking classes, and creative activities that keep the kids entertained and inspired. The Aquafun water park is a huge win for the younger kids and tweens, and with 10 pools plus beachfront access. But what really stands out though is just how much the resort encourages family bonding. Whether it's through beach volleyball, evening shows, or even just grabbing a burger from the beachfront food truck, there are so many ways to enjoy time together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.